Still on the derivation of units. Now we have two derived quantities here, force and work done. Now we're talking about the first one, which is force. Force is a derived quantity. We want to derive the unit of force, and then we also derive the unit of work done. So force is given as mass times acceleration. Good. So mass is a fundamental quantity, acceleration is a derived quantity. So we have to make this fundamental quantities. So which is mass times velocity all over time. So mass is a fundamental quantity, time is a fundamental quantity, but velocity is not a fundamental quantity. And then this can be written as mass times velocity is distance all over time, all over the time that is here, over time. So this can be written as mass equal to distance all over, distance times time. Now what is mass? Mass has a unit of kg times distance has a unit of meter, time has a unit of seconds. So this one is now given as kg meter all over seconds squared, kg meter and second square, which can now be written as kg meters per second square, or kg n+-2. So this is the derived units of force. Now we go to work done. Work done, which is the second unit there, and work done has a formula of force times distance moved in the direction of the force. Force times distance moved. Force times distance is work done. The measure of the force and the distance which was moved by that force is the work done. And we know that force has a unit here, kilogram meter per second square. So we just pick what is here, which is kilogram meter per second square, times this is a fundamental quantity as a unit meter. So this can be expressed as kg n all over x squared times n. So this will now be kg m squared all over s squared, which is also written as kg m squared all over s squared, or kg m squared s raised to the power -2. So this is the derived units of work done, and this is the derived units of force. So thank you very much. Stay tuned because we'll have more questions to go. Thank you.